In this video, I will tell you that how to disable Messenger call. So first of all, you need to open up Messenger, and let's suppose that if you wanted to like disable the Messenger call for this person, so I you will open up their chat and you will tap on this mute option and tap on until I change it. And now what this will do is, now when this person like message you or call you on messenger, your phone will not ring for their messages and their call because you have muted this person. But what if you actually wanted to like mute all calls on messenger or disable all calls or messages from your all contacts? So you will basically go into the settings here, go to apps and notifications, open up messenger, open up permissions, and if you have given the permission of camera and microphone to your messenger, you should deny it. Tap on camera, deny, tap on microphone and deny. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.